Hi, I'm Darren from Safety Dave, and today I'm here to tell you about the double Woza. Why have a Woza kit? What is a Woza? A Woza is the connection between the car and the van. Traditionally, people join the car cable to the van cable like this. And unfortunately, there's no proper way to secure them. So they flop around, and if they drag on the ground and break, you're in a lot of trouble. So we've got the Woza kit for you, a secure, robust connection. My favourite thing I sell at Safety Dave. It's a three-part kit. You've got a car side, a van side, and the joint coil. So now I'll go through the parts. So you have the car side. This is a double Woza, which means it can take 2 cameras. This is the front. A lift-up flap has 7 pins. And the fly lead, this is the lead at the back of the Woza, has a double connection. They will join your 2 cables running through your car. The car Woza is female, and the cables at the back of your car are male, and they join into each other. So that is the car side. On the van side, lift up the flap and still 7 pins, and the fly lead is male. And they will join the 2 cables at the front of your van that are female. They'll join into each other. And the cables will go to the back of the van and join the camera. So this is the connection, this is the coil. You lift up the flap, and on each end you join them, one into the car side, one into the van side. The Woza, my favourite thing I sell at Safety Dave. Do you need it? Yes, you do. So thank you for listening, and we'll see you on the next video.